is 90, 18 ones are 18, 5s are 5 ones are 5, 20s are. So answer is 20%. Her gain percentage is 20%. You do it again. Solve this problem again by yourself. Next. The population of a town was decreasing every year due to migration, poverty and unemployment. The present population of the town was 631,680, means 6,31,680, or in US system you can call it 631,680, right? Last year the migration was 4% and the year before last it was 6%. What was the population 2 years ago? Here, and last problem I told you to avoid you going into the loop of x. But there are some problems where you can't avoid x. In last problem it was easy because SP you can take 100 and then solve it. Here you can't assume anything. That's why in such problems you have to go for x. That comes from experience. You try solve every day all the problems or majority of the problems, you'll get it by experience. So let's solve. So what we want is present population is given, last year's migration was given, year before last year means 2 years back the migration is also given. So we want the population 2 years back. Okay. So let the population 2 years ago be x. So migration year before was 6%, means this is not last year, this is year before last year, 6%. So population after this migration, how much it would be? What do you mean by migration? Migration means people leave, means the population decreases. So earlier population was x, now it is decreased by x. So what by 6. So what will be the new population? Here 100 minus 6, because percentage means 100. So 100 minus 6 is 94. So what is remaining now? If last year it was year before last year it was 100. So in last year it will be 100 minus 6, that is 94. So we want it for x. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.